The rugby game by a disgruntled worker, a satire, part 7. New Zealand is a place where you can find all sorts of players, from rugby players to netball players, runners, cricket players, and even ram raiders. Yes, you heard that right, ram raiders. In this country, the yellow traffic lights stay yellow for so long that ram riders can easily get a head start when being chased by the police. It is a land where common sense has been banned, and instead they've come up with Kiwi sense, their own unique way of thinking. According to Kiwi sense, the key to success in life is to have successful connections. They believe, inter alia, that Kiwi sense will give employers and employees the skills to build relationships at work. Oh, New Zealand, you never cease to amaze us with your unique ways. Kiwi sense is a win-win for both teams.